Right, guys, this is a very quick video for you. I've in the past I've promoted some products by Anthony Mancusso and Paul Nicholls. Okay, these two guys. Now they produce good quality products. I have no qualms about promoting these guys. They always deliver the goods. Now they've got a special deal on. You can get 5 of their best-selling products for $20. All right, but the thing is, you can set them up and get 100% commission all the way through the funnel. Now, as you saw, because you can see in the images, I've made some very good commissions. These are converting, I mean, over 40% conversion rate on this offer. Absolutely fantastic, converts well, and this is obviously before I was getting 50% commission on the funnel when they launched this. So now you can get 100% commission on the funnel. So I will be re-promoting this when I've got set up. Here, as you can see here, these are the 5 products you have access to. Okay, so if we go into the members area, all right, so you've got golden ticket, you've got proximity, you've got traffic X, you've got the bulletproof method, and high ticket jacket. So those are the 5 products. So if you come into here, you've got the training videos, the sales pages, and you can set these up and put you in your payment links, and you're ready to go. These are just done for you products that convert, right? So if you can drive traffic, that's the only thing you have to do is drive traffic. Again, these are your fast action bonuses. Fastest way to $1,000 online. A case study, $1,952 in 48 hours, and a traffic power pack. So, highly recommend you get this. As I said, I promoted several of Paul's and Anthony's products, and the fantastic products. And 2 of the products are in here. Now, as a bonus, I will reveal which 2 products I've got the best results from. I suppose most people want the one that's doing over 40% conversion rate. So that'll be in your, when you sign up, just look in under your purchase link in your Warriorplus account, and you'll see the bonus, and I'll reveal which the 2 products that I've had good results with. Okay. Any problems, just let me know. But get it, upload it to your website, and drive traffic to it, and fill your PayPal account with some cash. All right.